Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into something that's perfect for picnics, barbecues, or just about any on-the-go meal: condiment packets on the go. This trio of ketchup, mustard, and relish packs all the flavor without any of the mess. Let's dig in. These packets from Snackathon offer a convenient solution for anyone who loves adding a bit of flavor to their meals without hauling around bulky bottles. Each box includes 25 packets of ketchup, 25 packets of mustard, and 25 packets of relish, making it a total of 75 packets. It's a small but mighty package that's ready to enhance your culinary adventures. What I love about these packets is their versatility. Whether you're packing a lunch for work or heading out on a weekend getaway, they're perfectly sized to slip into any bag or lunchbox. Plus, they're incredibly easy to use: just tear, squeeze, and enjoy. No more dealing with messy bottles or worrying about spills. These packets deliver on taste, too. The ketchup is rich and tangy, the mustard has that classic zing, and the relish adds the perfect touch of sweetness and crunch. They're individually sealed for freshness, ensuring that every packet bursts with flavor when you need it most. Now, you might be wondering how these stack up against traditional bottles or larger portions. Well, the convenience factor alone makes them a winner in my book. While larger bottles might seem economical at first glance, they often lead to waste and aren't nearly as portable. These packets solve both problems in one neat package. Let's break it down further. On the upside, these packets are mess-free, perfectly portioned, and great for portion control. However, they might not be as cost-effective if you use large amounts of condiments regularly. But for occasional use or travel, they're unbeatable. So, if you're someone who loves the convenience of having your favorite condiments ready to go wherever you are, these packets from Snackathon are definitely worth considering. They're practical, tasty, and backed by a satisfaction guarantee from a small business brand. What more could you ask for? Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews on products that make life just a little bit easier. Until next time, happy eating!